Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today we're going to be doing spoilers for Ipsy March of 2024, which is super exciting. I feel like these are the first spoilers I've done this year. I can't remember, but it's been a long time, so I'm so excited to share with you the spoilers, hear your feedback in the comment section, and discuss the bag because we love talking about the bag. I mean, come on. Last month's bag for February, which is still this month, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But anyways, if you are into these types of videos for me because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because over half of you that are watching these videos aren't subscribed, and it breaks my heart. It makes me want to cry. So it would mean a lot if you subscribed. And let's go ahead and get started. Also, if you are wondering what is on my face today, I'm wearing the new self-love collection from Ofra. You can use code Connor for 20% off your purchase. I'll have that video linked down below for you guys to view. Anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, so the bag is giving geode vibes, very artistic with cute little beads for the zipper. Honestly, I feel like we've had a bag that looks similar to this in the past. It just looks really familiar to me. So you let me know. You let me know because you guys remember better than I do because this memory is slipping. It's slipping. It says, things are heating up around here and it's not just the weather. This month, we're channeling our BFE, big feminine energy, with a glam bag design that will go down in history. So this is a Women's History Month themed bag, I guess. So let's go ahead and check out the spoilers. So we have, ooh, okay. Okay, alright. What's better than a glam bag full of 5 deluxe beauty samples personalized just for you so you can play, explore, and express your unique beauty needs? Honestly, not much, except maybe getting to choose one of the products that go into your next glam bag assortment, and that's where Glam Bag Choice comes in. So what's in store for your March Glam Bag Choice? We've got the exclusive sneak peek of the buzz-worthy beauty you might get to pick, so mark your calendars now because Choice starts on February 20th and you won't want to miss out on any of them below. So first spoiler is from Shades by Shan. This is the Life of the Party Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. Based off of what I'm seeing, it's really pretty and a perfect quad for a one and done look. It says ready to turn up a notch. This eyeshadow palette knows all about that. Whether you're going for a natural look or all out glam, this range of velvety smooth mattes and multi-dimensional shimmers will help you create something gorgeous. We also have another Shades by Shan eyeshadow palette. This is the Life of the Party Volume 2. This one's a little more fun, playful, because you have a pink and like a mauvey purple shimmer, but honestly it's pretty neutral. It says pack the velvety matte shadows onto your lids and blend them out using a fluffy brush, then pack the multi-dimensional shimmer shades in the center of your lids using a flat dense brush to help elevate your glam. Okay, then we have from Pierre Cosmetics the lip mask in peach. Ooh, I don't like peach. Parched Pout. This peachy lip mask can help. The hydrating formula is made with hyaluronic acid to really nourish and help plump your pout. Its lightweight yet deeply moisturizing texture will help get your lips in tip-top shape. Listen, I know there's some ride or die peach gals out there, but peach is not for me. I don't like it. Goldfine MD is your next spoiler. This is the Plant Profusion Night Cream. Introducing your secret weapon for a smoother looking complexion, packed with plant stem cells, antioxidants, and nourishing extracts like Bird of Paradise. Hello, luminous skin. This multifunctional formula works wonders overnight to help your skin appear smoother. Great. Then we have from Bosio Hair Care the Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Hydrating and Defining Mask. So your curls are in for a serious treat with this luxurious hair mask made with nourishing avocado, castor, and shea butter. This protein-free formula in case you're dealing with protein overload. Deeply hydrates and helps enhance your curls, leaving them bouncy and full of life. This one is interesting. This next one is interesting. So this is from the brand Dazzle Me. Never heard of it, but this is called Get a Grip Makeup Setting Spray. I love that. The title there got me hooked. This multi-purpose setting spray is here to help you get your makeup under control. Besides locking in your look for the long haul, it also helps keep oil in check, soothe and treat acne, and hydrate your skin. That sounds lovely. Okay, we have several more spoilers. This is like the most spoilers I've ever gotten on one thing. So from Gloss Modern, this is the Clean Luxury Radiant Polish for hand and body. Indulge in the ultimate self-care treat with this luxurious hand and body exfoliator. Its refined texture helps to gently buff away any impurities while rich oils deliver long-lasting hydration. It's also delicately scented with the brand's captivating whatever fragrance. Think Mediterranean grapefruit, sparkling lemon, and mint blossom. So not only does it do its job, but it also smells delicious. Great. We have from People's Beauty the Frontliner Mask and Scrub. Struggling with a clogged complexion, this 2-in-1 mask and scrub will work overtime to help visibly improve your skin's radiance and texture. The multitasking formula helps pull out impurities and excess oils, gently exfoliates and deeply hydrates and replenishes your skin. Last spoiler for the Glam Bag, we have from Pinky Bee Beauty, Dat Gel Eyeliner though, in Magic City. Want your eyes to be the center of attention? Then you need this rich black gel eyeliner. The creamy blendable formula glides effortlessly onto your waterline and lash line, making it easier than ever to create endless looks from a precise cat eye to a sultry smoky eye. All right, well, this is everything that is spoiled so far for Ipsy. If they come out with more choice spoilers and add-ons and all of that, I will make an updated video for you guys. But I want to know your thoughts and opinions. Are you interested in this glam bag for this month? Do they have a skip feature yet? BOXYCHARM had a skip feature, and since Ipsy bought BOXYCHARM, does Ipsy have a skip feature? I don't even know if they do. It's been years since I've had an Ipsy account, so let me know. And if they don't, let's do like a little protest, because there should be a skip month available, because this one's not a very good bag in my opinion. I don't really recognize most of these brands, and this is a very lacking list of spoilers. We've been getting great products in our glam bags. Now I'm starting to see the skincare come back, where it's skincare heavy, and I would prefer to see more makeup. Yes, it's cool we're getting quad eyeshadows and stuff, but like black eyeliner we always get. The setting spray is pretty cool, but everything else is a little bland in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!